Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to add the photo to your contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. As you can see in my case, all of my contacts have the photo, so first of all I will have to remove it. After tapping on the contact, just tap on this edit icon in the right corner and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will have, and all you have to do is to tap on the circle or just add picture. Here we've been transferred to 3 different sections, so you can pick something from those illustrations, which are quite cool. You can enter Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, and in this section we've got 2 different options, so the gallery again and the camera. After picking this option, your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. So of course you can pick it, but I think I will pick the gallery. Of course, give all the permissions it needs, and it has got some problems, as you can see in my case. Alright, so let's find the photo and tap on it, and here in this section we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position the photo and frame it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. As you can see, the photo will immediately appear on the contact, so remember to tap on save if you want to have it applied. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo. You will be able to see it on the contact list. However, as you can see, probably you will have to refresh the app. So just turn it off completely, and then it does not work again. Alright, but as you can see, at least it is visible on the contact, so probably we will have to give the device a time to refresh itself and to update it, and basically you will be able to see it right here, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.